Hey, what's up? It's Matt, and I'm back bringing another video on CPA marketing, cost per action marketing. I'm here to help you on your CPA journey, whether you're newbie or beyond. That's really whatever you're at right now. I want to help. So basically, this is kind of more for newbies. Obviously, advanced people, they already kind of know what they're doing. So I have if you get a chance to check out my page, my channel, subscribe to it. I'm trying to upload as many videos as possible in the CPA marketing realm, and get a chance to look at all the videos I've already uploaded. You can see that I'm just trying to provide as much information as possible. So today I'm going to make it pretty quick because this information, if you want more of it, you gotta just talk to me directly because I don't want to give out everything here, but I'm giving you my suggestions on this topic. So it is tools you need to swipe a landing page, and it's basically the easiest thing to do right now when you're in the CPA marketing. When you're doing CPA marketing, is get a landing page and then make it your own. That's the thing to do right now. That's actually the most beneficial, most profitable. And there's some tools that you need to do this and be successful at it. I'm going to just hit the bullet points, and if you got any questions, feel free to shoot me an email or message me or whatever, and I'll do my best to help you with that. So there's basically 4 different things. You need what's called httrack.com. It's a site that allows you to download a landing page, basically. So once you get the landing page, you use this site to download all the context from it, and then you upload it to a server, and then you do a little editing, and it's yours, basically. So httrack.com, which is this. You're going to go to download. When you get there, you go to download, and then you have to install it as a software. It's free, completely free. You install it, and then from there, if you need help, I can obviously help you on that. But that's for the getting the landing page, and you need a place to find landing pages. And most of these companies right now, I've already done a video on that actually on. Top landing page. No, where was it at? Best spy tools for CPA marketing. It's in here somewhere. Sorry about that. You can just check out my site, and you can check out my channel, and you can see. But I do talk about landing page spying on landing pages, and this one right here is actually free. It's called ofads.life. And you can actually click on these, and you can get the details to them. And these are actually sites. These are landing pages from different native ad sites. And you click on them, and you get the landing page details. And then you take that information, go to httrack, and you go from there. So this is actually free. Most of them are extremely expensive right now, but I understand why. The thing with ofads.life is, it's very, very watered down. It's definitely not like any of the others. It's just extremely watered down. They give you examples, but definitely not as much as you would like. But it helps as a start. You can take a landing page from there, convert it, and then start making money, and then pay for some other type of landing page. Swipe. Site. Next thing is hosting and domain. You do need a hosting, and you do need a domain name because that's where you're going to upload to the server. My suggestion is hostdare.com and Namecheap for the domain name. Hostdare is literally $2.99 a month. Namecheap, you can get as low as 99 cents depending on what your domain name is. So those are my suggestions for there. And then you need someone to edit the HTML code if you can't do it yourself. If you want to do it yourself, by me, that's fine. But if you want someone to edit it, my suggestion with this one would be go to Fiverr.com and actually use this guy. His name is Jazz_expert. He is charged $5 for 1 day delivery, 5 revisions, absolutely amazing. Mine was actually less than a day. It was like 4 hours, and he was done. And he did a great job. So these are my suggestions. All right. If you got any questions, feel free to get in contact with me, and I can help you further. I'm not going to go into too much detail anymore on this one, but if you you need the tools to do it, and not a lot of people are going to tell you that. They're going to give you one or two things, information, and then you have to guess. So here it is. And then again, check out my channel. I do appreciate you watching. Thank you, and have an awesome day. Bye.